Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ETRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move. I don't think anybody can sit back and say, no, it wasn't a nice move. Everybody would agree, good, solid day for the price. But that does lead to the logical question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? So that's the big question going forward. And like I said, by using charts, we can make answer to that question. I don't know what the answer to that question is, but thanks to charts, we can make that very focused and kind of very black and white. And it all revolves around one level, and that's why I love charts. It makes things quite straightforward. And that level is right here at, we'll call it, the $6.75 mark. Why is $6.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $6.75. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, but let's just pretend. So it pulls back here and then heads back up. Even with a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. You picture each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upward direction even after a drastic pullback. So as far as, is this move truly strong? Well, let's see if the price can make progress as time goes by. And I'm defining progress as $6.75. Now, ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above $7.65, that would be a best case scenario. But if the price does drop below it, there is still a chance for the big picture chart to build upon itself because of $6.75, as we just talked about. Now, what about areas of resistance? So for this, need to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So next key area of resistance seems to be right around, and no, actually the price broke above that. So let me, all right, let's do this then. Since that is really, the next key level is going to be the famous 200 period simple moving average, which is that pink line right there. I realize it's way up there and the price closed right there, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by tomorrow, that line is going to continue to move its way downwards. So keep an eye on that, but that is essentially the next key level of resistance. I didn't realize that final 30 minutes broke so many resistance levels, but no doubt about it, today was a very, very nice day. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.